everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and we are at the end of this TrailMix series of admin beginner, and we are going to complete this module in this video. I have mentioned in the last video that there might be a chance that I have already made video on this module, but it's not there. I have checked, so I'll be doing this now, and so let's resume. So our module is related to reports and dashboard for lightning experience. We'll be talking about what are reports and what are dashboards and why do we make it. So in general, if you understood the term reports, reports are nothing but the summary of our data present in or in different manners in which we wanted to see, so that we can get the understanding of how it is arranged or how it is distributed among the objects or among fields, or we can filter it as well. And dashboard is nothing but it can give us the more summarized view. It can give us the view like visual representation of the report in brief manner. Okay, so we'll move forward. A report is filtered to show only closed won opportunities, that is it can be filtered for active products, and we can be grouped by product family. We can sum the total number of opportunities sold. And what are the reports type? So we do have report type as summary report, tabular report, matrix report. We'll talk more about it in detail in another module which is having it discussed in more detail. And dashboard is nothing but a visual display of key matrices and trends for records. So let's come to the quiz. First is what is dashboard. So dashboard is list of records that meet the criteria you define. Second is visual display of key matrices and trends for record in your org. So second is correct option. Second question is what does report type determine? First is which fields and records are available for use when creating a report. Second option is who can access the report. Third is the data range used for the report. And fourth is the colors available in dashboard. So C and D is incorrect. First should be the correct answer. Let's check. So it's correct. Let's move on to the next unit, which is create reports with with the report builder. So we'll be creating report in this challenge. So let's go to the report directly, and I'll we don't need to do the steps mentioned in the trailhead module. So we'll directly do the challenge, and I'll go to home here and I'll search for, okay, let's close this. Let's search for reports and dashboards. So we need to create a report on leads. Standard filter that click the all time link if you don't see any data in the report preview. Include these fields, that is state and lead source, and we need to save the report as lead source report with public reports. Okay, so let's close this, close it, and we'll click on new report. Please be patient, it's taking some time to load. I'll just reopen it in new tab as well because I'm assuming that there is some issues going on with my network. Okay, so let's click on new report again, and we are on report builder. Please feel free to move ahead on this part. It's bit time consuming, I mean the loading part. You give me a minute, let me re-switch my net. So report type is open now. In here we will search for leads. We'll select this and then start report. Then the field mentioned are state and lead source. So here filters are applied, so we will show me all leads, that is apply. We will click on this update preview automatically so that it will show us the data automatically. Created date, let's put date of earlier. Okay, so basically there is no data here. uh, we will remove all these columns. We need to have lead source, and I remove lead source as well, and state provenance, and then we can save this report as the name given, and we need to save it in public reports. So select folder and go to public report, select save it. And now let's check our challenge. Report viewer is about to open, which will showing us the okay. So to have data, I'll create one lead. In the meantime, challenge is being checked. I'll click on new, and again the UI of my lead is changed because of some other Trailhead module which I have done earlier. Okay, lead status is open, and then we have our state provenance, and we had lead source as well. So I can, yeah, lead source is here, web. So let's save it, and I'll refresh this. So challenge is complete. Let's move on to the next unit. And the report is being refreshed. It will show us that it should show us that one record which we have just created. Okay, so there might be some issue. We'll check that on later. And now we need to filter our report. We'll be adding filters. There are different types of filter. That is standard filter, which we just check, that is created date or show me. Then field filter, we can apply filter on fields. That is, suppose I'll add filter for lead source should be equal to web only. Filter logic, we can apply logic as well to have it true, false, and other things. And then cross filter also, that is it should be with or without, and have query like opportunity name should be equals this name. We can have row limit as well. So that's all. They are using cross filter here. We can use cross filter from here. I'll show you where we have it in our or. Okay, and filter logic as well, then and or again with things we can apply. Let's come here. So here we need to create a, okay, so Ada Baliva is a product support specialist at Ursa Major Solar, and she wants to monitor support cases for their energy and electronics industry customers that have not yet been escalated. She would like to exclude any structural defects from the report. Okay, so we need to create a cases report. We need to set the units to days and verify that following fields are included, that is industry, status, and type. Then we need to add custom filters, that is industry should be equals to energy, and industry should be equals to electronics. Status should not be equal to escalated, and type should be equals to structural. Okay, so I'll go back, it's cancelled here. We'll search for report. We'll go to reports again and then click on new report. You can see that this is filter logic. We will apply these filters and then apply the filter logic, so that it will either check one condition or second condition, but it should check either these two and this. Sorry, not this. Means type equals to structural will not be checked, means that type should not be structural but anything else. And we will again save the report by cases by status. So let's search for this cases. report type cases, we will start this. Then we'll again go to filters. Unit should be changed to days. We will apply this. Then we'll go to here. I'll remove all this, and we need to add a column as industry, status and type. Industry, status and type. Okay, then if we go to filters here, add filter on industry. Industry should be equals to energy. Apply. Second filter is industry, should be either electronics. Sorry, if I'll apply this, so I should have here this. So we need to do it in this manner. I'll apply other as well. Then we have filter as status should not be equal to escalated, and type should be equals to structural. So status not equals to escalated, and type should be equals to structural, and this is correct. Apply. And what other? Okay, we need to just now save the report. This name, okay, and again we'll save it to public report. Select, save, and let's check our challenge. Again, there is no record present in my org, so that's why report is not showing any data. So you can check it by creating a record of cases with these conditions, so it will show any data. Okay, so we have not applied it correctly, we need to add it. Not, I'll go here and this, then okay, apply, save. Now check our challenge again. So this challenge is also completed. Now let's move on to the next unit, and it's format your report. Will be formatting our report. So as I had mentioned report, that there are different types of report. So that is tabular, summary and matrix. So tabular makes a list, summary summarize it, that is we can have it based on particular column or particular row, and then in matrix we can have it summarized as well by each row and column, but in summary we can have it by column only. So these three reports all are supported in dashboards, but row limit is required for tabular. And these two, summary and metrics, are only report charts are supported, and bucket fields are supported for both all three reports. Bucket field is we can apply the range, that is suppose if amount is lying between 0 to 10, then it is very low, but if it is 11 to 20, then it is medium. Like this we can apply for bucket fields. Formulas you understand, so that is only available for summary and matrix, and then cross object formulas. Okay, so tabular report, okay, summary report they are talking about, then matrix. Now we have challenge to create a report type of cases, and standard filter of open date should be all time. Field should be included case owner, subject and account name, and group should be by status, and report name should be case status. And if we read the challenge, that he wants the report formatted so he can see at a glance which cases are new and which are closed. Create a summary report of cases for Roberto. So I'll again go back to report. Sorry, go back to report. Then click on new report. We need report type as cases. So let's select this. Start. Go to filter, open date should be all time, which is correct. And fields are case owner, subject, and account name. So case owner, account name, and subject. Let's remove all other fields. Then we need to have group by status. So I'll go to report builder. In group rows, I'll select status. So if it will be having records, so what it will do, suppose we have status as low, medium, and high, and there are 10 records, but 2 records of low, 3 records of medium, and rest of are high. So it will show low records of 2, then 3 records of medium, and then rest records for high. That's how it will be grouped. So we'll save this and select public report, select save, and let's check our challenge. Now let's move on to the next unit. That is visualize your data with the lightning dashboard builder. So in this we'll be creating dashboard. Let's move on to the challenge directly. And first we need to create a report of opportunities. Standard filter of close date should be updated to all time, and field should be included opportunity name, opportunity owner. It should be grouped by stage, and report name should be opportunities in stage. So let's go to report builder and select new report. Then select report type as opportunities. Okay, it's not recently used. Opportunities, start report, filter of what was that, close date should be all time, apply. Okay, now we need opportunity owner and opportunity name. Let's remove all other. Okay, I have removed opportunity name as well. I'll re-add it. Opportunity name. Okay, now we need to group it by stage. You will able to see there how the grouping works. So that's how it works. And then we need to save it by the given name, and we'll save it in public reports again. Now we need to create a dashboard with big deals name and add a widget of chart or table, and it should be linked to report opportunities in stage and display it as donut chart. Okay. I'll go to dashboards, select new dashboard. It's taking time again. So our dashboard here it's not opened as well. For the first time it takes a lot time to load. Okay, so we will have report name is, sorry, dashboard name is big D's, and let's select folder as all folders. Then okay, sorry, private only. Let's create. Okay. Then we need to add a widget of chart or table, and title should be opportunities in stages. Chart or table. Report is opportunity in stages. Select, and we want to display it as donut chart. So this is the donut chart, and add. Is there anything else? No. Okay, so they are talking about title. Title is opportunity in stages only. Otherwise, okay. So let's save it, and let's check our challenge. So we have completed our this challenge, and with that we have completed our module as well, that is of reports and dashboards for lightning experience. And with this we'll be completing our this trail mix as well of admin beginner. We have completed 5 modules in this, that is Salesforce platform basics, data modeling, data management, lightning experience customization, user engagement, and reports and dashboard for lightning experience. I hope you were able to learn all this, and you have cleared your some doubts. But if you are having any more doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And please like the video, subscribe the channel, and also let me know if you want me to make any video on any other module project or anything. And sometimes I'm not able to find the correct module if you are mentioning anything. So please attach the link of or paste the link of Trailhead as well with the comment. It will be helpful for me. And yes, with that, stay tuned. In our next video we'll be coming up with another trail or another module. Thank you.